Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to insert two Nano SIMs cards into your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So this is gonna be really useful if you want to have two numbers on the same phone. So first of all, let's take out our SIM ejecting tool. Here it is, looks like a small pin. Now place your phone on the side and find your SIM tray at the top left corner. Here it is. Now simply slowly insert the tool in the small hole and gently press. Your tray will pop out as it did. Now carefully take it out and here it is. Now let's inspect our SIM tray. So here is a place for SIM 1. There is a place for SIM number 2. So grab your SIM card. Now insert it with the context facing up. Slowly and carefully insert it here until it should give like this little click. Don't put any power on it. It's really easy to do. Let's grab our second SIM and insert it into our slot as well. Let's adjust it here, just like this. Both of the SIMs are inserted. Now find this little hole on top, grab your phone and insert your SIM tray back so the hole is facing upwards and slowly press it. Now unlock your phone and check for, okay, let's insert our pin and let's check. Now we have two network connections as you see. So let's confirm that both SIM cards are detected. In order to do that, go to your settings. Give your phone a few seconds to work. Go to your settings, find connections tab. Here it is. Go to your SIM manager, click here, and as we see, our phone has detected both of the SIMs. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.